Hi, this is Bea Lennux and welcome back to my channel, and I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot a vacuum when it sounds like this. Actually, it's a Dyson 8 and I almost threw out my vacuum because I thought it was done. I was past my warranty period. I had like a 2-year warranty. I spent like $600+ on my vacuum, and I even got it on a sale day too. I bought it like during a Memorial Day sale over 2 years ago, just barely like a few days over 2 years ago. And I thought I was gonna have to throw away my vacuum, right? And I was hearing this noise. You hear how it's cutting off? And I checked the battery and I thought it was because the battery was going out, and I had charged the battery, fully charged, and I had emptied the cartridge, and it was neither one of those things. Oh my gosh. So to the people who own a Dyson or who ever want to buy a Dyson, these things are actually really durable and they can last you a lifetime, right? So here, let me get a trash can, right? Never mind the rug. Oh my gosh. So here, get a trash can, right? So this actually does have a full thing inside of it, but either way, it's still gonna make the noise. And I've been waiting to show you guys this video. So I'm gonna dump the trash, or dump it, right? And I actually took really good care of this. Okay, it's dumped. Demonstration. Okay, well that cleared that, right? But my problem wasn't the cartridge. I had to go pull this thing apart. I had to inspect this thing, and it wasn't that. Then I had to inspect this thing, and there was all kinds of stuff clogged inside of this. And it was causing this thing to shut off like every 20 seconds, or it went from every 20 seconds to every 15 seconds to every 10 seconds to every 3 seconds. And this thing just stopped working altogether. And I was like, oh my gosh, I almost threw it out there and fed it to the wolves. And someone almost came up on a $600 vacuum because I was just so done with it. And I'm like, oh my gosh. So just so you know, these things can last a very long time, and I really had to go through this whole learning experience all on my own. And don't learn the hard way by throwing out a very expensive vacuum cleaner. Take the time to take it apart, do your research, learn a vacuum. I threw away my owner's manual after about 2 years in a move, and yeah, otherwise I would have known the whole troubleshooting thing. I did submit the warranty, and I was just barely past my warranty, right? And these are really good vacuums. Highly recommended. It's lasted me like a really great long time. Got that max suction thing, and oh, it does wonders, and it'll make everything brand new. I like having my little aisles and rows. I love a clean house, and yeah, I'm gonna get back to cleaning, but I thought I'd share that with you because it was just acting up on me again, but everything was obviously full and it needed to be cleaned out again. So thank you for watching that with me. And now we both were reminded. If you had already knew this, right on, but now you learned something new. Thank you for tuning in.